Hey guys, what's up? It's Candace. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. Yeah, don't mind these tan lines. I know they are super extreme, y'all, but that's what happens when you have family day at Kentucky Kingdom, okay? So guys, today I'm gonna do a little bit different of a video. I'm gonna do some vlogging today, and I am getting ready for a like in-home shopping event with some of my girlfriends, and we are going to be shopping Belle Monde Women's Boutique, and it is a women's boutique here in Louisville, Kentucky. Well, I don't live in Louisville, Kentucky technically, but close enough. And it's in Louisville, Kentucky, and we are doing a like girls kind of brunch shopping event. So the owner of Belle Monde Boutique was so nice enough to invite us into her home and have a private shopping event. And I invited some of my girlfriends here in the area, and we are just gonna have a morning of shopping. And I just don't know what this little hair is doing, y'all. Like, so don't mind me while I'm talking to you all. I am going to just get ready a little bit. But before I forget, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to take things a step further, go ahead and hit that bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. So guys, I'm just going to get ready. And so Belle Monde Boutique, you guys, let me just tell you a little bit about it. So first of all, I can't say enough great things about it, y'all. It is legit awesome. And the first time that I shopped at the boutique was actually during Derby Week. Well, actually, I think it was a few weeks leading up to, but the last week was Derby Week here in Louisville. They had a pop-up shop, and a girlfriend and I from work went, and it was just like awesome, you guys. They legit have everything from like your regular tops and, you know, bottoms, you know, dress pants, denim, dresses, I mean, coats and jackets, and shoes, accessories, handbags, hats, your athleisure wear. They legit have a good mix of everything. And I got so many cute pieces for work, and I know my girlfriend Jessica got a lot of nice pieces. And so they did a pop-up shop, you know, for back in May, and so they are now getting ready to open an actual storefront. But while the storefront is being finished, she is doing like at-home parties in the meantime. So I am so excited that I get to kind of host one today, and so that's what I'm getting ready for. So when I say I'm getting ready, if I'm doing something like this, where I know I'm going to shop and try on clothes and things like that, me getting ready is totally different than my normal get ready. I don't do foundation, I don't do powder, I don't do eyeshadow. Like legit, I moisturize, which I just did with my La Mer moisturizing cream. Yes, this is a sample size, I'm trying to use it up first. And which is bomb, and as you can tell, it's very hydrating. So I just moisturized, and I'm going to do my brows, some eyeliner, and some mascara, because nothing is more embarrassing for you as the consumer, and it's nothing more like frustrating than to be an actual boutique owner, that when you have someone try on clothes and then they're like, yeah, I don't want it, but yet there's makeup and deodorant all over the clothes. So I'm very mindful of things like that when I know that I'm going to try on clothes, so I will not be having a full face. And of course, since I am of a darker skin tone, my makeup is definitely going to show up on you know, pieces of clothing. So I just don't do it, because at the end of the day, if I don't like it, I don't want to have to pay for it. So that's where we are. I am going to respect Belle Monde. I love the people, the lady that owns it, and the lady, my girlfriend Crystal, that works there. So I'm not going to do y'all like that. I'm going to make sure I take care of it, okay? So I am going to finish getting my eyebrows and my eyes done, and then I will check back in with you guys once I actually get to the shopping event.
Welcome to Belle Monde.
I do love me a green, and I do love me a pattern.
So Laura, what are you thinking of Belle Monde so far?
I love it. It's amazing. I was shocked when I walked in. Like,
right?
Absolutely blown away.
Way more than you were expecting, right?
Oh, blown away. Like, I'm impressed.
Yeah.
Impressed. Absolutely love it.
Check out the description box, guys, for where you can shop Belle Monde.
Hi, I'm Nikki Knight. I'm with Belle Monde Boutique. We are so excited to be coming to you on Fairfax Avenue, 115 Fairfax, Labor Day weekend. We've been hosting house parties, and this weekend we loved having Candace, the big blue debutante, here in a private party. And we just love encouraging women. We love building up women, their confidence, empowering them, encouraging them to live intentionally and to love and to look good while they do that. And why can't we have a little fun? Look for us on Facebook, Belle Monde Boutique. We're on Instagram also, and we do have a website, so you'll be able to shop with us there, www.bellemondeboutique.com. We can't wait to open. We can't wait to see you in person. So check us out and come see us real soon.